Okay, so this is my video on room 7465 or cabin 7465 on Carnival Magic. This cabin is a aft view cabin, meaning you have the rear view of the ship, and it does have a balcony. This is a balcony suite. As you can see, we left some of our things out just so you can see what it looks like actually lived in. And take you on a quick tour. You have the facilities here: shower, stand-up shower, toilet, and a sink area. You can see again our things are there. Gives you some shelving units on both sides, as well as the floor space there. So it's not very big, but it's worked for us during this cruise. And this particular room has 3 closet spaces. So you'll see there you have the life jackets, closet space, my wife's things are in there, and then you have another closet space and a third closet space with shelving. And then you have the, I'm gonna shut these doors. As you go into the room, you have a couch here. Again, never mind our things. I just wanted to show you a quick video of what this room looks like, actually lived in, so you can picture your items here, your things. And the bed. This is a king size bed, so we asked for a king size bed. We requested that. It's basically 2 twins put together. And then I also left these open so you could see what these look like down here. You have 4 drawers. The seating area for the ladies who like to sit while they are putting their makeup on, and a refrigerator. Then you have the safe area, so you have the safe and you have a shelving unit on the bottom there, and you have a couple more shelves here. And this is all, again, never mind our personal things, excuse the mess, but I wanted to show you what this looks like actually lived in. So it's a really good size for and value for what you're getting. This back here has the area where the balcony is, and again, it's a very good size balcony. As you can see there, you have a full lounger chair on my wife's foot. The lounger chair can be placed the long way so that you can lay out. That just gives you some size reference for this particular room. So let's head out there. Say hi to my wife, who's out here sunbathing right now.
Who's that?
Hi, honey. I'm recording this for YouTube.
Oh.
And this gives you some idea of what this looks like as far as size. There's that lounger chair I was referring to. Give you some size reference. And this is the beautiful view in this particular balcony. And this is room 7465, cabin 7465, on board the Carnival Magic. Feel free to ask any questions, leave any comments if you have any questions. And I hope this was helpful.